Alright, here we are in the 2017 GT350R, doing a cold start. This is with the original engine. It's due to be replaced soon. The new engine's been ordered and is in at the dealership. I'm going to hit the start button here just to show the miles. $30,282.7. There you go. As you can see, oil temp 0, oil pressure 0, coolant temperature is cold. Muffler's on quiet mode. If I can get the R nameplate in the picture there, I guess not too dark. Keep recording here. Here's the VIN number for the car. There's the license plate. Cool, huh? Misses or hesitations or anything like that. It just likes to drink some oil. Thanks for watching.